To add the event subscription, we need to open this common section, event subscription add, then give it a name, let's say goods receipt materials total. And now we need to specify the source of this event. Here is a full list of all configuration objects whose events you can subscribe for. Picking our goods receipt doc, and now we need to choose the specific event we want to handle. In our case it would be before write. And we are ready to implement the handler. Except there is no common modules in the configuration so far. So let's create one first. Common modules, add, giving it a name, let's say subscriptions. We also need to make sure that the module is not global and accessible from the server. Now let's get back to our subscription. Creating a handler, choosing the subscription module, and the platform creates the procedure we can start writing our code in. I'm not sure what these parameters are and how can I use them, so let's ask a debugger. To do so, we just put return here, then save our configuration and place a breakpoint in this string. Running our app, opening goods receipt and saving it. Now we are inside the handler code and can see the parameters values. Let's start with source parameter. Evaluate expression, and we can see that this is the document we are about to save. So if we open the tree, we will see the materials tabular section right here, and when we select it, this little green pencil becomes available. It means that there is a separate list of values inside of this attribute, and if we press the pencil we will see it. So this is the entire content of our tabular section, and now we need to cycle through it and recalculate the total for every line. Let's close this window and copy to clipboard this name. The easiest way to get through list items is this kind of cycle. For each material in source materials, do and do. This code will fetch these list items one by one and assign each of them to this variable. Now let's recalculate the total. This variable contains the current line, so I copy it to the clipboard, and now I assign the total with a multiplication of price and quantity. Okay, we also don't need this return line anymore. Let's break the debugging session and restart the application. Okay, opening our doc. Now I use my spoiler button to ruin totals, and then I press post and close. And after I reopen the doc, the totals is correct again.